एंड टुडे आई विल इलेबोरेट, मैं आपको आज समझाऊंगा कि हाउ टू परफॉर्म द एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ VI कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ incandescent lamp. See here, this is incandescent lamp. This is incandescent lamp which we are using today. You can see here, देखिए यहाँ पर ये 200 वाट का बल्ब है, ये लिखा हुआ है 200 watt. This is right, and this bulb is used here. Now see here, here we are having a variable voltage source. You can see 0, 20, 40, 60 and so on up to 260 volt. This device is known as variable transformer, variac we are saying, right? It is a single winding transformer which is providing the variable voltage. ये हम इसको घुमा के voltage कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं. Now see here, from here we are getting voltage, and for measuring this voltage we have connected this voltmeter. Please see the dial of the voltmeter. It is ranging from 0 to 300 as well as 600, but we have selected here the range of 300. तो एक टर्मिनल कॉमन में this terminal is common and this is 300 volt. Now see here, this voltmeter, ये voltmeter है, इसको हमको कनेक्ट करना है parallel with the supply. Now ammeter is to be connected in series with the lamp. See here, ये connection आया हमारा. This ammeter is connected having range of 0 to 1 ampere. Now see here, this wire is there going out. Now coming to the lamp, and from the lamp it is connected to the back to this supply, variable voltage supply. See here, right? Now see, this is the full setup. Again we are elaborating how to connect it. This voltmeter is connected in parallel with the supply. Ammeter is connected in series with the lamp. This is coming back. Now to take the reading, we have to rotate this. See here, when we are increasing the voltage, you can see the lamp is glowing and we are obtaining the reading. Now see here, as we are increasing the voltage, now voltage is 100 and we are having the reading of approximately 0.47 or 48 and so on. In this way we can record the readings, right? Now if you can see the readings here, these are the different readings recorded here for 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220 and 240 volts. These are the different readings which are already recorded, and on the basis of this reading we can plot the graph between V and I. On the x-axis we have to take the voltage like this. On y-axis we will have to take the current, and on the x-axis we have to take the voltage, and graph will be plotted. Graph is to be plotted, say for 0 volt reading is 0 and so on. So you can plot the graph by taking different points and the graph can be plotted. Just I am showing you, just you take the exact readings and plot the graph. So this is the overall experiment about VI characteristic of incandescent lamp.